Okay, this is chapter 22, respiratory system still, objective 7, and this is how the respiratory system responds to exercise. There's actually two phases, a phase 1 and a phase 2. So what happens during phase 1 when you start exercising is ventilation is going to start increasing rapidly. So at the onset of exercise, ventilation is going to increase immediately. By as much as 50%, so a very short period of time. What is triggering this increase in respiration? Because again, your respiratory system isn't just going to start increasing in respiration until it's told to do so. So, what is the trigger that's causing this? Your body movements. You've got receptors, proprioceptors, which are sensory receptors in your joints. So when your joints start moving, these are going to signal, hey, there's movement going on. We need to start increasing ventilation. These signals travel to the respiratory center of the medulla oblongata and stimulate breathing. Okay, now during phase 1, during phase 2, ventilation is then going to start to gradually increase. So it's just going to kind of level off after about 4 to 6 minutes. Now, typically the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and pH levels, which again, those are all interrelated, remember, they're not going to change much as long as aerobic respiration is going on. Aerobic activity is going on. So as long as you've got good oxygen coming in and cellular respiration is occurring, you've got plenty of oxygen to be able to take that into the Krebs cycle and make ATP, these oxygen, carbon dioxide, pH levels, they're not going to change much. So those aren't going to affect changes in ventilation because that's really not going to change. Now, once aerobic exercise turns into anaerobic exercise, okay, that's when even during anaerobic exercises, you're not going to get a huge significant change in blood pH. You're actually probably going to stop exercising at that point. You're just not going to be able to do it anymore because you don't have enough oxygen coming in. So you're going to end up creating a situation where there's not enough oxygen to have your muscles function. So you're going to stop. But again, not a lot of change in pH even during anaerobic respiration. Okay, that's it for objective 7.